Damn, sis, these eyebrows are well bleached. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bleach your eyebrows. So if you're looking for a very detailed brow tutorial, then keep watching. But you're going to need your foundation, a spoolie, an angle brush, your eye pencil, a fluffy brush, and your setting powder. As you can see, I'm just going to use my spoolie to brush out our brows, and I'm going to take some foundation and just paste that with the fluffy brush on our brows. I'm going to then use the brush to arrange our brows together. Then after applying the foundation, I'm going to use that spoolie brush again to brush up our brows. And I'm going to apply some setting powder with another fluffy brush. It just helps to lighten the brows and it brings out the pencil. So I'm just going to keep brushing our brows till I'm satisfied. And I'm going to go in with my regular Davis pencil. And I'm going to make sure the edge of the pencil is well sharpened. Then I'm going to use that to outline the brows like so. I said earlier, this video is going to be very detailed and there will be no bleaches. So as you can see, I'm just going to take my pencil and outline the beneath of our brows. So now I move to the top of our brows and I'm going to just repeat the same process and join both ends together around the arc area. Then after doing that, I'm just going to lightly shade my brows. That's the tip of my brows. Then I'm going to come out to outline the beginning of the brows. The reason why it is very important to know how to bleach or to know how to draw a bleached brow is because you just need to have it amongst your eyebrow routine. Like, you just have to know how to draw bleached brows because they are the updated kind of brows and they appear very, very natural. So as you can see, I'm just using my pencil to draw light strokes from the bottom to the top. This makes the brows appear very, very natural, especially at the beginning, because you always want to keep your brows as light as possible when you're drawing a bleached brow. So now I'm going to take my concealer. I'm using the Freya Gold concealer. As you can see, I'm just applying that beneath the brows. I'm using my angle brush from Bobbi Brown's set. So I'm just going to apply this concealer in bits beneath our brows. I'm not going to drag. The reason is because you want to give the beneath of your brows this precision. So you don't want to go into your brows. So you just want to apply that gently till you are satisfied that you've gotten the precision of your choice. Then I'm just going to move over to the top of my brows. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side and then move over to conceal the top of the brows. If you like what you see, if you like this video, do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and don't forget to share to your friends. Now I'm going to conceal the top of our brows, and I'm going to use a foundation that is 2 shades darker than her shade. Then I'm going to just use that to conceal the top. I'm going to flatten my brush on her head. Like you can see, I'm just going to do that so as to get a very clean precision. Then I'm going to do that to the other side of the brows too. So concealing the top of your brows is very crucial. You just have to be patient when concealing. I tell people a lot, like, you have to be patient when concealing your brows. so as to get the perfect type of brows. Though brows are not twins, but they have to be like relatively close, like sisters. So I'm just going to take my pencil, I sharpened it again, and I'm going to just make necessary adjustments also in concealing too. And then I'm just going to conceal the beginning of the brows with that foundation I use for the top, so as to make everything blend. As you can see, guys, those brows are the bomb. They are good and they are well bleached and light in appearance. So you keep on making necessary adjustments, then you use your spoolie to brush up all the hairs. This is to make the hairs aligned. If you've watched this video so far, thank you for watching, and I really love you and thank you for your support. Moving on, you're going to apply that concealer that you used in concealing beneath the brows. You're just going to apply that to the eyelid, and then you're going to blend with your fluffy brush. This acts as an eyeshadow base for your eyeshadow. After blending the concealer, you take your setting powder or your finishing powder and then apply that to the eyelid. This also helps the eyeshadow not to crack. As you can see, guys, we are very good to go. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, do so by clicking that red subscription button below this video, and don't forget to like and share to your friends. See you all in my next video. Bye.